Hello, my friends. Come, let me show you how I made this ofada stew or ofada sauce, if you like. Very delicious sauce from Nigeria. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so what I did was I now gathered some of my proteins, my meat. So for ofada sauce, goat meat is advisable. And then the cow tripe, cow hide, and I seasoned with onions and not too many spices for this kind of stew. You want to keep it very basic, okay? And then yeah, some salt and some seasonings, just very basic. And this is a meat stock that I already had from steaming the cow hide. So I covered it. So for this sauce, all you need is bell peppers and scotch bonnet peppers. Yes, hot peppers. Ofada sauce is known for its spicy hot nature, okay? You don't need tomatoes for this sauce, just so you know. So what I did was to process it. You don't want to blend it very smooth, kind of roughly. That's what makes it unique. It's also known as designer stews among the Nigerians, okay? So we call it designer stew because it's kind of different from the regular kind of tomato red stew that you know of. So this is what the outcome came. And then yeah, that's my seasoned meat. And yeah, and I so yeah, it's coming up very delicious and I was happy with it. So I went ahead to bleach my palm oil. So noted, this is also very important. You fry with the palm oil. So ofada sauce is made with palm oil. If you want to know how I bleached my palm oil, I will make another video to talk on that. Okay, so I live in Canada and there is a secret way to bleach your palm oil so that your fire or smoke alarm doesn't disturb your neighbor and then invite the fire service. Yes, I'm talking from experience that has happened before. Okay, so let's continue. So after frying the meat, assorted kind of meat, it has to be assorted kind of meat, not just one kind of meat. Okay, note that. Remember, it is designer stew. So I went ahead to fry my onions and then fry the roughly processed bell peppers and scotch bonnet peppers. Then this is also super important, very necessary, fermented locust beans. That's what gives it that unique flavor, the unique taste. Without this, I don't know what you're making. This is important. Then crayfish, super important. You see, these two ingredients is a must ingredient. That's what gives it that local taste, that local flavor. Okay, a lot of fermented locust beans and crayfish. Then you're heading towards the Ofada Avenue. You know what I mean? Then I now put my already fried assorted meat inside the sauce that was already frying, then allowed it to sizzle. Now by this time I have reduced my heat, so you want to cook on a medium heat so that it will gradually cooperate with the meat and everything will just simmer gradually and all the flavor goes in. I'll tell you another must protein that this is needed. So I went ahead to add smoked turkey. You know me, I like to be a little bit extra. Feel free to be extra, okay? So I added different kinds of meat. At the end of the day, there's going to be a quiz. So just pay attention on every little detail here. Then boiled egg is a must, yes. So this is a native stew. So the natives, this is how they make it. So if you say you're making ofada sauce or ayamase sauce, then you have to add boiled egg. So I kind of pushed some little holes in the egg, and the reason for that is so that the sauce will go into the boiled egg. Then I added more crayfish. Like I said earlier, crayfish is super necessary. So I went ahead, me, I like to be a little bit extra. So I added some basil leaves to add that that kick, that extra oomph in it. Okay, I went ahead, I also added some grilled chicken. You know what I mean? This is Ayamase Deluxe Ofada stew classic grade 1. Ofada stew that went to Harvard University. What are you talking about? The aroma of this sauce was everywhere. Everybody was salivating. Now the quiz now is, can you count how many protein that I added in this sauce? So let's discuss in the comment section. Have you tried this before? This was super duper delicious. Oh yeah, super delicious. So everybody enjoyed, like I personally enjoyed it because I've been craving for this stew for a very long time. So I was ready. I was ready for it. On this day, I was like, see me, see Ayama, say, see me, see you of Father sauce. So I went ahead, enjoyed it with boiled rice. Go ahead, if you are in a keto, boiled brown beans or boiled, or cauliflower, whatever, just make it, just eat it to suit your own kind of lifestyle. Okay, so this was how I ate it. It was delicious. It was yummy. Okay, so click that red button that shows subscribe and share this video to help somebody. Also, I want to hear in your comment section, are you going to try this sauce? Have you tried it before? So until I see you in another video, stay blessed, eat well and eat healthy, because we love you from this channel. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.